At the exhibition Elixir Distillers in Kapelica Gallery, I'm presenting my three new installations that are basically using key elements from my previous works. Spiritus Agens, Elixir Machine and Garden of the Elixir Pill. Elixir Distillers are installations that deal with the construction of the technological other. The accent is on the relationship of body and technology and elements from the history of elixirs. This is my latest installation about historical longevity panaceas. By using objects A and B, I explore the historical purpose of alcohol in Spiritus Agens, the role of theriac and similar medicaments that used to contain multiple components in the elixir machine, as well as rethinking of the world with the help of anthropomorphic agents that can be everything from imaginary helpers or figures from mythology to agents of artificial intelligence, as well as Taoist alchemy elixirs in Garden of the Elixir Pill. This exhibition is part of the multi-year project Anthropomorphic Machines, which is created on the 20th anniversary of my artistic practice. And through these new installations, I summarize the key thematic elements defining my works. And these are anthropomorphic and abstract machines, algorithms of noise, relationship of body, consciousness and technology, and uncanny of technology, as well as the attractiveness of technology. Elixir is a rich metaphor. Throughout history, it usually appeared as a multifunctional technological amalgam, and nowadays it does bring associations towards mythological content, towards medicament and placebo. And interesting thing for me was that throughout history the quest for both philosophical or spiritual or actual elixir of life brought about and motivated countless experiments and works in the proto-scientific context, and also philosophy, religion and mythology. Regarding the installation Elixir Machine, inspiration was one typical medicament called theriac. It was one of the historical medicaments that almost rose to a mythical status. And besides theriac, popular instances, similar instances were tar water, oxymel, this Jerusalem elixir, Mithridatium, also blue mass and many others. And the idea behind theriac was that more elements they joined in the concoction, the better the effect will be. And throughout time, the recipes changed. And it was really hard to obtain such medicaments, and only really rich people could afford it in the past. Also, the important idea during the research was to think about what recreation nowadays might mean and might involve. And I also analyzed the past and current tendencies in order to be able to understand what is happening also nowadays and what might be the possible future scenarios. The interesting thing for me was that antique history has placed mythological and magical content into the relationship of body and medical technology, although it is the basis of contemporary science. Here I used two main objects as research objects, A and B, and they appear in all installations. And here object A always represents this tendency towards creation of a synthetic being, and object B stands for the human being in transition, the robomorphic being which in a way wants to become a cyborg. And within the installation Spiritus Agens, diluted alcohol runs through this object A that I mentioned, which contains charcoal particles, and then drops into the container that preserves the other object B, which is immersed in the processed alcoholic quintessence. By using Morse code, object B emits a signal of life in the form of the statement "I'm still alive," borrowed from famous conceptual artist Don Cavara. The interesting thing was also that during the research I ran into one interview with Nikola Tesla, who stated it in one of his answers that alcohol is in a way an elixir of life. And the forerunners of contemporary scientists used to assign all kinds of mythic properties to this quintessence of life that they used to call the alcohol. And the important thing was that alcohol was processed or distilled 7 times, and only then it gains this mythical proportions, so to speak, and they really thought that it can cure all diseases. The elixir machine is, that I already mentioned, is this apparatus for delivering of one specifically prepared liquid. It contains multiple substances collected over time, and this camera that is placed on the machine also transfers visitors into the virtual space, where they leave the trace of the unique geometric object.